Pineapple. Ananas commosis is an incredibly delicious, healthy tropical fruit. It's packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and other helpful compounds, such as enzymes that can protect against inflammation and disease. It's commonly eaten baked, grilled, or freshly cut. Originating in South America, it was named by early European colonizers for its resemblance to a pine cone. Pineapple and its compounds are linked to several health benefits, including improvements in digestion, immunity, and recovery from surgery. Are low in calories but boast an impressive nutrient profile. Just 1 cup, 165 grams, of pineapple chunks contains the following nutrients. One cup, 165 grams, calories, 83. Fat, 1.7 grams. Protein, 1 gram. Carbs, 21.6 grams. Fiber, 2.3 grams. Daily value, DV, vitamin C, 88% of the DV, manganese, 109% of the DV. Vitamin B6, 11% of the DV. Copper, 20% of the DV. Thiamine, 11% of the DV. Folate, 7% of the DV. Potassium, 4% of the DV. Magnesium, 5% of the DV. Niacin, 5% of the DV. Pantothenic acid, 7% of the DV. Riboflavin, 4% of the DV. Iron, 3% of the DV. Pineapples also contain trace amounts of phosphorus, zinc, calcium, and vitamins A and K. As you can see, this fruit is particularly rich in vitamin C and manganese. Vitamin C is essential for immune health, iron absorption, and growth and development, while manganese offers antioxidant properties and aids in growth and metabolism. Antioxidants help prevent oxidation in your body, which may help ward off inflammation that can lead to cancer and other chronic diseases. Pineapples also contain other micronutrients, such as copper, thiamine, and vitamin B6, which are essential for healthy metabolism. Pineapples are not only rich in nutrients but also loaded with antioxidants, molecules that help your body ward off oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is caused by an abundance of free radicals, unstable molecules that cause cell damage, often linked to chronic inflammation, weakened immune health, heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Pineapples are especially rich in antioxidants called flavonoids and phenolic compounds. 2 rat studies show that pineapple's antioxidants may have heart protective effects, though human research is lacking. What's more, many of the antioxidants in pineapple are considered bound antioxidants, meaning that they produce longer-lasting effects.
Zero Fat TV. Zero Fat TV. Think different. Zero Fat TV. Film Studios. Pineapple. Presentation.
You'll often find pineapple served alongside meats and poultry in countries such as Brazil. Interestingly, This fruit contains a group of digestive enzymes called bromelain that may ease the digestion of meat. Bromelain functions as a protease, which breaks down protein molecules into their building blocks, such as amino acids and small peptides. Once protein molecules are broken down, your small intestine can more easily absorb them. This is especially helpful for people with pancreatic insufficiency, a condition in which the pancreas cannot make enough digestive enzymes. Bromelain is also widely used as a commercial meat tenderizer due to its ability to break down tough meat proteins. One test tube study found that bromelain reduced inflammatory markers in digestive tissue, though further research is needed. What's more, pineapples are a good source of fiber, which aids digestive health. Cancer is a chronic disease characterized by uncontrolled cell growth. Its progression is commonly linked to oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. Several studies note that pineapple and its compounds, including bromelain, may reduce cancer risk by minimizing oxidative stress and reducing inflammation. Some studies show that bromelain may also help treat cancer that has already developed. Have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. They contain a wide variety of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes such as bromelain that may collectively improve immunity and reduce inflammation. Those who ate pineapple had a significantly lower risk of both viral and bacterial infections. Plus, the children who ate the most of this fruit had almost 4 times more disease-fighting white blood cells than the other groups. Arthritis affects more than 54 million adults in the United States alone. Many types of arthritis exist, but most involve joint inflammation. Bromelain's anti-inflammatory properties may provide pain relief for those with inflammatory arthritis. One study found bromelain supplements to be as effective in easing osteoarthritis in the lower back as regular pain treatment. Eating pineapple may reduce the time it takes to recover from surgery or exercise. While this fruit helps replenish carb stores after exercise, some of its benefits are also due to the anti-inflammatory properties of bromelain. Moreover, proteases such as bromelain may speed muscle recovery after strenuous exercise by reducing inflammation around the damaged muscle tissue. Pineapples are sweet, convenient, and easy to add to your diet. The fresh fruit is easy to find in many grocery stores and markets, even out of season. You can buy it canned, dehydrated, or frozen year-round. You can enjoy pineapple on its own, in smoothies, on salads, or on homemade pizzas. Here are a few fun recipe ideas that feature pineapple. breakfast. Smoothie with pineapple, blueberry, and Greek yogurt. Salad. Tropical roast chicken, almonds, blueberries, and pineapple atop lettuce or other greens. Lunch. Homemade Hawaiian burgers, beef burgers with a pineapple ring. Dinner. Pineapple fried rice and seitan. Dessert. Homemade pineapple whip, frozen pineapple chunks blended with a splash of coconut milk and a dash of lemon juice. Pineapples are not a common allergen. Eating them is considered very low risk unless you have a known pineapple allergy. In that case, you should avoid pineapple and its extracts. People with diabetes should be mindful of serving sizes to keep their blood sugar stable. However, even in people without an allergy or diabetes, eating too much pineapple, more than a few servings per day, may have unintended side effects. For instance, bromelain may affect blood clotting. Therefore, people who take blood thinners should eat pineapple in modest amounts. Those sensitive to bromelain may also experience tongue burning or itching and even nausea or diarrhea, though these downsides are anecdotal and haven't been studied scientifically. Some people claim that eating a lot of unripe pineapple causes stomach upset, nausea, and diarrhea. Again, this hasn't been studied, but it's always best to select ripe pineapple. The flesh should be a light to medium yellow. Pineapples are delicious, versatile, and loaded with nutrients and antioxidants. Their nutrients and compounds have been linked to impressive health benefits, including improved digestion, a lower risk of cancer, and osteoarthritis relief. Nonetheless, more human studies are needed. You can eat this fruit blended, roasted, sautéed, or fresh, either on its own or in any number of dishes.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. New videos every Wednesday. Pomegranate. Next up. Links are in the description. Zero Fat TV. Think different. Subscribe.
I'm trying to change the world one video at a time. JJ Hamilton.